So definitely will be, of course, playing for India very, very soon if all goes right. Will support blue. Yeah, Ryan, I think that is what it is. Junior Steelers, and the support comes in nicely. Mayank Saini, he anticipated Chetan Chowdhury's frontal thigh hold, presses him, jumps away, runs off. Ryan, Sunday belongs to you.
Oh, trust me, Naveen, Sunday does.
Difference there, Ryan.
Definitely. We've seen how the tall players and the short players have their own pros and cons when it comes to a kabaddi game. Well, here let's see if Abhimanyu can put the pros of his height here. Oh no, he cannot. A very good hold to stop him. And Junior Steelers doing it on both the ends.
Well, no Raiders left for the Yuva Mumbas now. Do some stealing today. They have started well, I should say. Wonderful thigh hold from Nishant. Beautiful. And watch this. Prem Mandal has jumped into the lobby and it's going to be a super tackle. Deepak Kundo has inflicted a super tackle. He's my trip super tackle, definitely. Mayank Saini, he should have just gone back. Intelligently, he should have just gone back after Prem Mandal just stepped out of the lobbies as well. We would have wanted that frame. Just that frame where he was stepping and jumping into the lobby. Yuva Mumba, can Ayush Singh go back quickly instead of getting tackled with strong 4 defensive side? Don't try anything silly here, Ayush. Don't try to be a hero. Yeah, just go back. Just go back. You're no Hercules. And Ilavarson's Chellakili. Come on. Come on! I had promised the PCR team I will not use the word come on. And Ayush Singh has forced me to do it. You know, Mukesh Kannan, I was about to say, Ilavarson's Chellakili, Mukesh Kannan on the substitution lines. He was ready to come in. India one star moment, definitely. They're carrying him on his shoulders. Kannan is now coming for the do-or-die raid. As I keep saying, he's the Chellakili of Ilavarsson. Chellakili means favorite in Tamil. As he's a favorite of Ilavarsson, the Palni Tuskers' coach. Always starts the raid for the Palni Tuskers when he plays. But now in the Yuva Mumba colours, he's been used as a raider who can now make some more big wonders. Has he got a bonus? No, he's not. 2 touch points and Dilbagh Singh. He just does not want to be covered on the cameras. That's a big error from Nishant. And of course, Ankit just flowing off. Ankit Dul and Nishant Malik, both corners.
Red.
Yeah, definitely India one star moment there and nice to go through.
Ayush Singh for Junior Steelers. They are turning towards different players on different occasions, and Ayush Singh has done it for them. Something they were looking for as he's targeted the right corner.
That killing instance that he's got it always. And you know what? Only against the Palni Tuskers as Dilbagh Singh fielded both Manikandan Sularmani and Manikandan Nesamani together. But here, Vikas is once again attacked Chetan Chowdhury today. Oh, Chetan Chowdhury is thinking that today is a Sunday.
1 point. Junior Steelers. Jersey number 21 out.
The defense tries to do something extraordinary and then that becomes only ordinary. Extra and ordinary. That's what it happens. And now see Lokesh Gosalia. That's a true extraordinary tackle together. He understood where the legs of Ayush Singhs were going in and he just pounces onto that one. Yeah, brilliant. And just after the kick, now watch that. He just does not go for the ankle hold off the mat. Now, how many minutes? The bonus is off in this game. Now, that's once again a very good strategy from Junior Steelers, I should say, because come on, Prithviraj. You don't have to do that. Your job was to raid. You're the only raider on the mat.
As for the first time in this matchup, we're seeing the lead slightly bigger. It is a 3-point advantage for Junior Steelers, and Tejas Raut here will try the bonus, of course, because he is the last man standing for Yuva Mumba. As the all-out could be inflicted. What is Tejas going to do? Yeah, he's probably gotten the bonus, but he's also given away the all-out, which is bound to happen as Junior Steelers have inflicted the first one. Naveen?
Almost, because Abhishek Raghuvanshi, in fact, he is good. He can, Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi there, correction, he can do all those feet movement just right in front of the corners. But now, Vikas Jadhav. See, I will say even now, the balance hangs with Yuva Mumba. Oh my God!
1 point.
Casualness,
Junior Steelers.
and
Jersey
that's a
number
casualty.
27 Out.
And is running away is Mukilan Shanmugam. How many times have we seen this happen in this edition? The Raider actually gives a feel that, yeah, he's going to go back. That was a big problem. If that wouldn't have happened, Yuva Mumba wouldn't have been all out.
Change the
And
goal.
this all out means Junior Steelers will have the lead. 3 second half. So, you know, Prithviraj Shinde will go in. He'll have to do biology, but they will teach everything. Say, there's something called lab technician course. BPT, of course, Bachelors of Physiotherapy. MPT, of course, Masters of Physiotherapy. And today, Chetan Chaudhary needs a lot of physiotherapy. What is happening with him?
1 point.
He again
Junior
commits the
Steelers.
error. Not happened. I just saw. Yeah, that Sandeep Singh's head was just going down because you can see right there what the problem was. Now that's a good back hold. Ryan, I think Nishant
1 point.
has just shown
Junior
Chetan
Steelers.
Chaudhary how a back hold needs to be executed. No bonus as well.
I think when we look at the replay, we will get to know why Abhimanyu's reaction is such. But with regards to this, it was two of them crumbling in together to stop him. And
What I
Ball
read.
die.
Ryan, such a wonderful unit that, because lab technician courses, which is masters and bachelors, you can be the physiotherapist, bachelors and bachelors. Wonderful. As it's a do or die raid, Lokesh Gosalia does not backtrack. He stands right in front and says, I am the technician here of Yuva Mumba's defense. Well, that was such a brave move. You saw where he was? He was in front of the left corner. No, look at the, my God, the left corner being right in front of the right in. Wow. Place your landing foot over and above the bonus line. They were asking for the review because to cut the do or die rate chain. Mayank Saini gets Lokesh Gosalia. Well, he's
1
on
point.
fire today.
Junior Steelers.
And
Jersey
under
number
the
20
fire
out.
are burning the yellow double seater.
I will not take the entirety of the blame of not being able to code what was happening there.
You
But,
just passed
let me just
35%. You could have got 70%. Do or die right now. Can Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi get a 70%? Because the previous raid he attempted a bonus, he does not get it. And the right cover now commits the error.
Red Archers. 1 point. Yuva Mumba.
Nilesh
Jersey
Shinde.
number 2 out.
We just heard what he said. And now, after a long time, Chetan Chaudhary gets his first tackle point.
1 point.
Ankle hold.
Yuva Mumba.
I was about to say after a long time, Ayush Singh has gone in so deep inside thinking Chetan Chaudhary has lost all confidence today, but look at this. Deepak Kundu does not even put his hand there. Chetan Chaudhary says, yeah, enough is enough. 29th tackle point for the champion. This is not going to be cute here because it's a do or die raid, right?
Prithviraj Shinde.
Runner
Oh,
out. 1
this is a
point.
spectacular
Junior
work.
Steelers.
Just when Yuva Mumba were trying to equalize the score, it being a do or die.
Tackling to somebody. He's been selfless. And the numbers tell this. Numbers don't lie. But Mohit Chilla being selfless. How am I able to imagine and accept this one?
Well, that's a brilliant statistic coming in. And I think it more or less depends on how it is inculcated in the sport. Ajay gets caught here. He came off the bench. And Yuva Mumba will take the lead in this game. They had the lead maybe in the first 5 minutes of the match in the first half. And here, with 5 remaining in the second, this is where they've gotten the lead. But Naveen, I personally think and in a way it can be put into the sport of kabaddi, it can raids as Nishant Malik here has gotten 5 points, so an assist in tackle would go into the tally of the total points generated, because that's how it's
Yeah,
done in basketball, and assists are counted in basketball quite a lot. It's a very important statistic.
Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. And a running attach. Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi claims only 1 point. Yeah, it is Ankit Dul. Nishant.
Number
Malik saves himself. What a lovely running hand touch. Because it was 23 all, and this all out now is going to be deadly for us. Because that numbers, supports my storytelling, Ryan. Always. I should say our storytelling. Because see, when you have an I-5 for Ankit Dhul, you need to come up with a term as well for the tackle assists. Yeah, high-5 is good. But here, he wanted to fly high. Is Ritik Thakre. Doesn't get it. Only bonus, and he runs away. All out inflicted. Big moment in the match. And now Yuva Mumba, they will not let this go.
Go in for those moves, bully in the do-or-die situation. But Junior Steelers, they need to quickly score points. Mike Saini is attacked Lokesh Gosalia's side first, but he switches on to the other and spins his way to get a simple point.
Number 21.
A regular ankle hold.
Lot of thoughts and extra for Junior Steelers. They are down by 4 points. Ayush Singh has the pressure on him to try and do something that's going to result positively for them, and he's probably done it. How many is the question?
Thank you. Review successful. Radar safe. 3 points. Junior Steelers. Jersey number 21, 47 and 5 out.
India won. Star moment of the match for sure. 21 they say? Yeah, Chetan Chaudhary correct. Because the kick was first attempted on you. Chetan Chaudhary will go back to the hotel room, watch the replay, and then he will understand. Definite India one-star moment of the match this, because it's 3 points and it is going to turn things around because it's only 1 point lead. First kick on him, but I had my doubts. Did Ayush Singh go through? Yeah, there. I think he did. Corner of the lobby. He just goes through. Now the defense of the Junior Steelers. It all depends on Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi because we know how well he is in breaking that chakra view of this Abhimanyu. And he does break it once again. Hold on to your horses there, Sahil Narwal.
Jersey number 11.
Why are 432 raid points? And he's only got 7 raid points. He's asked Ayush Singh to go time and again. And now Lokesh Gosalia also will give away a point. 30 now.
Junior
Now,
Steelers. Jersey
if
number 20.
this is oh, come on! It's a do-or-die raid. And Mayank Saini has been back on the mat because it's Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi. Now he just needs to attempt a bonus. If not, it's going to be a tie. Yuva Mumba will not lose it. But Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi does it!
Yuva
Kicks!
Mumba.
And he kicks the left corner.
Jersey number 7.
Wow! Once again in the last raid of the match, like yesterday, Abhimanyu Raghuvanshi has put Yuva Mumba on top. Junior Steelers!
Match
I
over.
really feel bad for them. It was all Ayush Singh and it was all the defense who've done really well. Yes, Mayank Saini did well against Chetan Chaudhary only, but look at this for a back kick. He wasn't ready at all. Nishant Malik was not ready at all in that left corner. Many errors that went in because you had Sahil Narwal come in, you had Nishant Malik come in.
They are, as we look at the summary, 2 more raid